Before you buy a high-rise condo, you probably want to look at the parking garage. If the parking garage happens to be underground, take a look and walk through it. This is probably the most expensive repair that a condominium association will have, may have, or has. You want to look to see if the concrete is spalling or falling apart. You want to see if there's rusting rebar coming through. You want to see if there's plastic covering areas where water is dripping. You want to see if the foundation walls are cracked or leaking. Then you want to go above the parking garage and see what's on top. You might find out that this is a grass area or a field or tennis courts or a garden. Well, when they fix this parking garage, they're going to have to remove this, and this can be hundreds of thousands of dollars. And what ends up happening is people get assessed. And a lot of times people will buy condos and not knowing that in 2 to 3 years there'll be a large assessment. Some other assessments you want to look at are roofing, HVAC, rooftop units, swimming pools, seawalls, and curtain walls. Curtain walls meaning the siding of the building or the windows. Some of these high-rise have serious issues with brick leaking, brick spalling, windows leaking, and more. So you want to look at everything but the unit. Once you decide that you are safe, and by the way, you should also read the rules, regulations, and bylaws. You should also get a copy of the last 24 months of meeting minutes of the board, because the board will talk about problems in future assessments, or that crazy cat lady, or lawsuits because a child fell off of a balcony that had a loose rail. You want to read all this. Plus, they also have 10 to 20 year engineering expenditure reports that will project future repairs needed. You want to see those reports. Once you figure out that this is your condominium and there isn't anything crazy going to happen, then hire your home inspector and go look at the condo unit itself.